This is the backyard. Several inches of snow. Look at my feet. Damn. It's beautiful though, y'all. About to fall. Oh yeah, this is nice. I am not a fan of the cold, I can say that much, but I am loving this snow. The neighbor's roof, how thick it's getting on the shed. Let's go to the back. Here, this shed, yep, you guys, piling up. Piling up, let's see. Horrible at recording, you guys. Yeah, quite a bit of snow, you guys, quite a bit of snow. And still the heaviest, just about here and gonna continue for the next few hours across New Orleans. Yes, this is a once in a lifetime event for down here. Just look at how high the snow is.